Well, first, welcome to you all on the behalf of École des Mines. When organizing this event, I had a lot of support from École des Mines, which was much appreciated. So École des Mines is a very small school. This is quite a big conference, and I assume that an event of this size has never been held at this time of the year, because all the students are here in the school now. So, well, you should be aware of that. So, I have a few guidelines, if you agree, not to perturb too much the course of teaching here. So, regarding lunch, regarding coffee breaks, they will be held in the room which is dedicated to the students, in the students' room. So, if you see students at coffee breaks, then be nice to them, because they are lending the room to us. So there will be a lunchbox delivered to a conference attendees. So it's made of a sandwich. Unfortunately, we are in the center of Paris, which is very good, and I'm sure we are very happy to be in the center of Paris, but space here is very limited. So there's no place to sit to have your sandwich in the school. Drinking and eating is prohibited in the classrooms, including this one. So I assume that the best option is that, especially today with the beautiful weather, is that you take your sandwich away and you go to Luxembourg Garden. So if you go out of the École des Mines, turn left, a few meters away there's an entrance to Luxembourg Garden, which is a very beautiful garden, a public garden, where you can sit and have your sandwich there. I have a few further announcements. First, regarding Wi-Fi. We cannot provide Wi-Fi to all attendees. So if you have EduRoam, then you can use it here in the school. If you don't have it, I guess you will have to listen to the talks and check your emails back at the hotel. Yes, regarding the gala dinner tomorrow, it's at Procop. So if you have signed in for dinner, and finally you don't intend to attend the dinner, you don't intend to go, then please let us know by telling Valérie at registration, because then we can give your ticket to a student to go to the dinner if you're not going. Final point, so this is new to GSI 17. There will be a best paper award and a best student paper award given by Springer, and they will be given at the closing ceremony. So just to let us know, the winners already know by email. They have been contacted yet already. So just to let you know that there's award ceremony at the end of the conference. Thank you.
Thank you, Silver. So a short introduction for this third edition of the GSI. So if you remember, we have already organized GSI in 2013 at École des Mines. It was the first edition. On the second one with Frank Nielsen at École Polytechnique with the collaboration of l'IX department of École Polytechnique. This is some picture of our last conference. For GSI 2013, we were honored of the presence of Jean-Louis Cozoul, which was there for the talk of Hirohiko Shima, dedicated to the work of Cozoul, and also Roger Ballian, who was sharing and giving a talk at the conference. And in 2015, we have also Charles-Michel Marle. So Charles-Michel Marle and Roger Ballian are students from École des Mines. Also some information that you could see also on the website. It is arbitrary about Michel Maridesa, which was a pioneering collaborator of GSI. So it collaborates to the first edition, and he has edited some famous books like Encyclopedia of Distance, or geometric structure of chemistry relevant graph, or geometric of cuts on matrix. So you could have some video of Michel Deza at IBRI 1 seminar, and he was one of the pillars of GSI at the beginning. And also in France this year, Marcel Bercher passed away in 2016, and so you have a special homage conference at IHES. If you are interested, you have a website for registration. So the conference is organized by SEE. So SEE is equivalent of IEEE. So it has been launched in France in 1983, and it is the E to make in relation industry with academy. And we have very famous president of SEE like Paul Langevin or Louis Debreuil. And now SEE was at the beginning dedicated to electricity and electronics, but now it's also for science of information. And we are organizing different conferences. At the beginning, from the beginning, SEE is the major organizer of GSI conferences. So SEE is a member of scientific association in France with SFO, which is for optic, and SFP for physics. So we are, as explained by Silver, we are at École des Mines, which is a very old high engineering school in France, because École des Mines has 234 years old, is 234 years old, and is preparing major CEO of industry in France are coming from École des Mines. And here you have some picture of most famous student of École des Mines. So Joseph Bertrand, Henri Le Chatelier, Gabriel Lamé, François Massieu, if you are interested in thermodynamics, Henri Poincaré, so you are in the amphitheater Henri Poincaré, Paul Lévy, Maurice Allais, which was Nobel Prize of Economy, Georges Matron, which has was the inventor of mathematical morphology, Roger Ballian, and Charles Michel Marle, which was a participant to a previous GSI, and the plenary talk this morning, Jean-Michel Bismuth, and Pierre Rouchon, which was the supervisor of Sylvain Bonalbert, PhD. So if you are familiar with GSI, you have the logo of GSI. So the logo of GSI is the frontispiece of an Adélard de Bath Latin translation of Euclid elements. And we select this logo because Adélard of Bath was a European scientist, because he was an Englishman, and he go to France in Tours, on Laon, and then he go to Sicily. And he was the translator of Euclid elements in Latin. And also he has invented the word algorithmus. And this year we have added a banner with our preferred geometers. So we have Euclide, Thalès, you have here Clairaut, Legendre, Poncelet, Darboux, Poincaré, Cartan, Fréchet, Libermann, Leray, Cozoul, Ferrand, Souriau, Ballian, Berger, Choquet-Bruat, and Gromov. So it is a purely personal selection. You could give your criticisms. So what is the objective of GSI? It is a transdisciplinary workshop to federate different disciplines, people coming from mathematics, people coming from physics. And here you have some example, and some leitmotiv could be group everywhere and metric everywhere. And we could observe that we have both geometrization of science and probabilization of science. So GSI is a good conference to exchange on this topic. So for group everywhere, obviously Hélicartan has a major role. And here you have the extract of the report of Poincaré on Cartan work for the application of Hélicartan for his professor position at Sorbonne University. And for metric space, obviously, also the role of Maurice Fréchet, which is very important now also in a shape space community, because he has introduced probability in metric space. So you have the third edition of the proceedings. This edition, the proceedings will be available electronically on Springer website. So I think for this week it is we have free access to the proceedings. So you can on the website you have a link on the website of GSI. You can downlink the proceedings electronically on or individual papers. But it will be closed next week, I think so. And so, but people could pay for downlink the papers. So about our sponsors, so we have two major sponsors, the Alan Turing Institute. So I want to give all my thanks to Professor Marc Girolami, who helped us to have this funding from the Alan Turing Institute, and the Thales group, which is a group from industry working on information science. We have a bronze sponsor from ENAC. ENAC is École Nationale de l'Aviation Civile, and IMAG. And we have the scientific label of Société Mathématique de France, and different sponsors, SMAI for applied mathematics, and different CNRS network, GAD, MEA for mathematics and image analysis, Geosto, ISIS, and also the support of École des Mines, École Polytechnique, Springer, and PSL. PSL is Paris Sciences Lettres, which is a cluster of academics in Paris. So we are almost 150 attendees from 37 different countries. One third from France, and then Germany, Japan, Italy, USA, Belgium, Brazil, Russia, UK, and Netherlands, Denmark, and Sweden. We have 101 paper on the 3 days, and we have different speakers. So the first guest honorary speaker will be Mr. Professor Jean-Michel Bismuth from Paris Sud University. And then this afternoon, Daniel Benquin from Paris Diderot University. And we will have on the 3 days 3 keynote speakers: Alain Trouvé from École Normale Supérieure Paris-Saclay, Marc Girolami from Imperial College of London, and Barbara Tumpak from Lille University. So we have this year 19 sessions. So we have increased the different topics addressed by GSI. Especially this year we have new topics like robotics. So thanks to Silver to have motivated authors for robotic, geometric robotics and tracking. And also a new session on thermodynamics with Professor Gabe Almas from École Normale Supérieure. So you have a small sheet here with the room map. So we are here in Amphi Poincaré, and so we have the two other rooms are L109 and V106A. So here it's just on the corridor, this one, and here you have to go downstairs and upstairs, and it's just the first room. And this evening at 7, we have a cocktail at Salle des Colonnes. So this is this way, at the 4th floor. And for the last day, in the morning, we will not have the Amphi Poincaré, so we will use this room, V334, and it is just in the second floor in this way. So you have the agenda of the conference. So it is small. You have in the back of the booklet, but it's very small, so you have another one here. But you have not the correction of the room for the last day. So this morning we have a talk of keynote talk of Professor Jean-Michel Bismuth, then parallel session, and then a plenary talk, a plenary session this afternoon, parallel session, and then keynote talk from Daniel Belquin, and then welcome cocktail at 7. And we have scheduled a group photo after the Jean-Michel Bismuth talk. We have a group photo in the, so you just have to follow the organizer after the Bismuth talk. So second day, we have a keynote talk of Alain Trouvé in the morning, on a plenary session at the beginning of the afternoon, and then a keynote talk of Marc Girolami, followed by a session on gender equality related to Marie Curie Fellow birthday. So this session has been proposed by Barbara Tumpak, so it will be animated by Barbara. So I invite you to go to this session. And then we will have the gala dinner at Café Le Procope. So you have the map on the website. So Le Procope Café is 10-minute walks from École des Mines. And then the last day we will have a keynote speaker given by Barbara Tumpak. Parallel session, and then a closing session with the announcement of the best paper. So this room has changed. So I will skip that because we will have individual presentation. So you have a Women in Science session that will be organized by Barbara Tumpak with Nina Miolan, which was a PhD student of Xavier Pennec, and Alice Lebrigand, which was a PhD student of Marc Arnaudon. And so we have also scheduled, so I'm not sure it is confirmed, but tomorrow we should have Natasha Henry book dedication, which is the biography of Marie Curie, because the birthday of Marie Curie is just the 7th of November. And we have also an exhibition on women and science in the Heritage Fonds, which is an exhibition at École des Mines, and we will organize during the lunch break a visit of this exhibition, if you are interested. So you have this exhibition at École des Mines, and you have this dedication by Natasha Henry of a very recent book on Marie Curie and his sister. And if you are interested, at 10-minute walks, you have just Panthéon on the 8th of November. They will open the exhibition on Marie Curie, where you have the tomb of Marie and Pierre Curie. And you have also the Marie Curie Museum, which is also 10-minute walks from École des Mines, if you are interested this weekend. So for the gala dinner, it will be at Le Procope, which is a very old and famous cafe in Paris. So it's 10-minute walks, 12-minute walk from École des Mines. So we are here, and if you follow this way, it is on the website. You can go by walk, but be careful. Tomorrow we should have rain, so take your umbrella. So Café Le Procope is very famous because it was the place where Diderot and D'Alembert have launched the encyclopedia. And it is also the 300th birthday of D'Alembert this year. And Académie des Sciences has just put online the D'Alembert Encyclopedia. So if you are interested, you can go on the Ancre website, and you have the total encyclopedia, which is available on the website, and it is funded by the French Academy of Science. And you will have a tricentenary birthday of D'Alembert for this event. And I have just extracted this picture of encyclopedia of D'Alembert and Diderot on geometry, which was their vision of geometry during the French Revolution. So just general information to conclude. So we have made different publications last year. We have made this one, Differential Geometrical Theory of Statistics, which was a special issue edited by MDPI, on information entropy on their geometry structure, also a special issue of MDPI. And Springer has launched a new journal which is called Information Geometry. Frank Nielsen has published with colleagues also a book on computational information geometry. And in collaboration with Springer, we have the project to the translation of Introduction of Symplectic Geometry by Jean-Louis Kozoul, which is a very interesting book, but in Chinese. It is the lecture of Jean-Louis Kozoul in Beijing. So it will be translated in English by Springer and should be available next year. It's very interesting because there is some development of Jean-Louis Kozoul on Souriau work on his theory. So if you are also interested, in August we have organized TGSI, Topological and Geometrical Structure of Information. And all the video on the slide are available on the website. We are preparing a special issue following this seminar at CIRM in Marseille. You have in your sacoche this call for paper, so it is organized by MDPI, by Professor Jafari, on From Physics to Information Science and Geometry. So I invite you to submit papers. So it will be in Barcelona next year. And you have the call in your sacoche. So to conclude, you could see in the proceedings that we put Blaise Pascal in the introduction of the proceedings because it is the inventor of probability. On the first paper of Blaise Pascal on probability, the title was Alea Geometria, so the geometry of chance. So we think it's very emblematic of the topic of our conference. And also because Blaise Pascal was the inventor of the Pascaline, so the first computing machine. It is also one objective of our conference, is to transform geometry also in algorithms. And here you have the history of computing machine with Pascaline and with a baggage analytic machine, which is the ancestor of our computing machine, which was a mix of Pascaline machine of Blaise Pascal and Loom machine from Jacquard. It's why for the first computing machine you have this kind of card, because he used the Jacquard Loom invention. And so we could say that the high computer machines are mainly based on analytic machines. But what could be very interesting it could to study the development of geometric machine. So could we develop geometric machine without coordinate system? And there is many action in Europe. I know that. Mrs. Selodoni, I think they have launched a group with Cambridge on this topic, and there is also some proposal in Europe. And just to conclude, and to give the microphone to Marc Arnaudon to present the first speaker, just to say you that next year it will be the birthday of Joseph Fourier, the 250th birthday of Joseph Fourier. So it will be a national commemorative event. So we will organize many events. Especially, we will organize link to heat theory on also harmonic analysis following Fourier works. So if you are interested, you will have many information on website on this next event.